Hello children, we are seeing nowadays lesson 9 decimal. So in the self-practice 9E, that is based on multiplication of a decimal number by a decimal number. Both the numbers are decimal and we are doing the operation multiplication. Yes? So here we have seen first question. In that few questions we have seen, that is in multiply. Yes. So here let us see. So two more questions here again. K question. That is 0.2 multiply 0.4 multiply 0.04. Yes, question is this is. So when we multiply, what is the quotient? Okay. When we multiply all the number, what is the product? Okay. When we multiply all the number, what is the product? We are going to find out. So we know the number. Three numbers given. 1, 2, 3. Yes. But the three numbers are the decimals. Okay, decimal number. See the point. So here, no need to confuse anything. Just look at this. First, take these two numbers. Yes, take this 0.2 and 0.4. Multiply both the numbers. Yes, 0.2 multiply 0.4. Yes. So as usual, multiplication. Yes. 4 multiply 2, 4 multiply 2, 8. 4 multiply 0, 0. Yes. Next one 0. If you multiply 0 multiply 2, 0. 0 multiply 2, 0 multiply 0, 0. So answer is 8, 0, 0. Yes. So the point, where to keep the point, that also very easy. So here we know, after the point, one decimal place. Yes, after the point, one decimal place. Here. So here also, after the point, one decimal place. So plus 1. So total, how many decimal places coming? 2 decimal places. Yes. After the point, one decimal place. Then after the point, one decimal place, 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So in the product, so we have to, before 2 digit, we have to keep the point. Yes, remember it, 1, 2, point. This is the answer. Yes, got it. 0.2 multiplied 0.4 means here of 1 decimal place, here 1 decimal place. So 1 plus 1, 2 decimal place. Yes. So here also see that after the point 2 decimal place. Got it. So now we know this answer. So take it 0.08. Yes. So this two number we multiply. Got it? 0.2 multiply 0.4, answer is 0.08. Then afterwards, next third number, take the third number and multiply with 0.04. Yes. So now we have to multiply one more. This two number we have to multiply now. See that? So 0.08 multiply 0.04. 0.04. Yes, multiply this. 4 multiply 8. 4, 8, 32. So to write there and carry the 3 here into the next column. So 4 multiply 0, 0. 0 plus 3, 3. Yes. 4 multiply 0, 0. Again with 0. 0 multiply 8, 0. 0 multiply 0, 0. 0 multiply 0, 0. Yes. So you got idea, no? Next this again with 0 is coming. If you again multiply with 0 also, everything 0 1. Yes. 0 multiply 8, 0, 0 multiply 0, 0, 0 multiply 8, 0, 0. So it is not necessary to do this, okay, because with 0, if you multiply with 0, 0 only coming, okay. It's not necessary to do the second step and the third step, okay. So, but I am doing for your understanding. Now plus it everything. 2, 3, 0, 0, 0. Yes. So now the step is where to keep the decimal point. Yes. See that after the decimal point, how many places? 1, 2. Yes. 2 decimal places. After the point, 1, 2. Yes. 2 decimal places. Here also see that after the point, how many decimal places? 2. Yes. So total 4. Yes. After the point 1, 2 and 3, 4. So that is in the factor we can see there are 4 decimal places total. Okay. Sum of the factors decimal places. Point. Yes. After the point 1, 2. Yes. And here also after the point 1, 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. So in the product we have to 4 decimal places. Okay, consider 4 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and keep the point here. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 decimal places before the point. Okay, 4 digits. So here is 2 digits, total 4, and here also after the point 4 digits. Okay, got it? This is the answer. So answer we know it, that is 0.0032 is the answer. 0.002 is the answer. So let us do one more question. L. L question, it's that is 29.02 multiply 0.03 multiply 0.0005. Yes. So we know that the rules. When the 3 number or 4 number anything given, we can multiply any 2 number. Yes. So we can multiply. See that. Let me multiply this 2 number first. Yes. I multiply this 2 number first now. 0.03 multiply 0.005. Yes. So when we multiply this number, what is the answer we are getting? 3, 5, 15. Yes. 3, 5, 15. Yes. 3, 5, 15. 3 multiply 5 is 15. And we know how many decimal places here? After the point 2. And here after the point how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3, 4. So total how many decimal places? So in the product we have to see there must be 6 decimal places. Yes. So after the point 2 and here is after the point 4. So 2 plus 4, 6. So total 6. So here we can see only 2 numbers. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 places over point. Yes, got it? So when we multiply this number, you can multiply it in the side, okay? This number minus this number, if you multiply, you are getting answer this. Next one. We have to multiply now this number with the third number. Yes? Multiply with the third number. 29.02. Yes? So now let us multiply this number 29.02 and 0.00015. Multiply this 29.02 multiply with 0.00015. Yes, multiply this. So 5 multiplied to 10, 1 carries. 5 multiplied 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Yes, next with 5 multiplied 9, 5 9, 45. Yes, 5 9, 45 and 4 carries. 5 multiplied to 10, 10 plus 4, 14. Yes, you are getting 14. Next, take 1 and multiply. Take 1 and multiply. 1 multiplied to 2. Take 1 and multiply. 1 multiplied to 2. 1 multiplied 0, 0. 1 multiplied 9, 9. 1 multiplied 2, 2. Yes. Next, take 0 and multiply. 0 multiplied to 0. Yes. With 0, if you multiply anything, 0 multiplied to 0. 0 multiplied 0, 0. 0 multiplied 9, 0. 0 multiplied to 0. So next, if you multiply with 0, everything 0 only coming. Yes, understood now? Yes? Yes. So now add 0, 3, 5, 4 plus 9, 13, 1 carries. So 2, 4. So 4, 0, 0. Yes. So if we are multiplied with this 2 0 and if we multiply with this 0 also everything 0 only. Yes. Yes. Now where we have to keep the point? Where we have to keep the point? After the point, how many decimal places? 2. And here, after the point, how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total how much? 8. See that 8 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? 8 of then point. That is 0. So here after the point 1, 2 numbers, and here also after the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 numbers. So 2 plus 6, 8. So total 8 numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 numbers before that point. Yes. So answer is 0.0004350. Yes, this is the answer. Next, look at the question number 2. If 63 multiply 8.7 equal to 548.1. If you multiply this 63 and 8.7, answer is 548.1. This is the answer. If you multiply these two numbers, answer is this. So they are asking here some question. First question A. That is, if we multiply 6.3 multiply with 8.7. So what is the answer they are asking? So we know the number. First number 63. Yes. Here also coming 63 only, but middle is point is there. 63. Second number see the 87. Okay, 8.7. Yes. Here see that 8.7. Same number only. So here you can see that. How many decimal place here? 1. So answer 1 decimal place. After the point 1. Here you can see that. Total how many decimal place? After the point 1 plus after the point 1. So total how many decimal place? 2 decimal places. After the point 1 plus after the point 1. So total 2 decimal places. So answer is same one number. This number only answer. But where to keep the point is the matter here. So 5.81. So understood now? After the point 1, so after the point 1. So total 2 decimal places. So 1, 2 point. Then see the B1. 6.3 6.3 multiply 87. Again see the same number only. 6.3 and 87. So how many decimal place here? Only one decimal place. So answer will be same number. 5, 4, 8. Only one decimal place, no? 5, 4, 8.1. So one decimal place. So here also the answer one decimal place. Okay, like that only. Next one. So like that. See that. In the factor how many decimal place, that much will come in the answer also. Okay, 1 means 1, 2 means 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place means 3 decimal place. Okay, like that. So let me do one question. Question number E. Remaining you can do like this. Question number E, 0.63 multiply 0.87. Yes, here is nothing changed. Yes, the decimal place, decimal point goes left side. Yes, 0.63, and again this one the decimal point goes left side, 0.87. You can see the 63, 87 is coming again. So answer also the same number only will follow. 5481. 5481. But where to keep the point? You can see after the point how many decimal place? 1, 2. Yes. Again you can see in another factor after the point how many decimal place? 1, 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. Yes. After the point 1, 2, after the point 1, 2. So 2 plus 2, 4 decimal place. So in the answer see that 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Before that big point and 0. Yes. Understood? 4 decimal place. So the answer 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer. 0.5481. So remaining question you can complete it. Okay, self practice 9G. Okay, remaining and everything complete it in your copy. Thank you children. We will see in the next class.